Okay, everybody, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get out our caterpillars that we drew from last rotation. And by the time we are done today, we're going to have this caterpillar completely colored. It's going to be awesome. Let's get started. The first thing that we're going to need to do is protect our tables, our desks, wherever you're working. We don't want to accidentally get crayon on it, so I'm going to put a piece of poster board down over my surface that I'm going to be making art on. Now, it doesn't matter whether it's a black piece of poster board, a white piece of poster board, construction paper, whatever it is that you have at home, as long as you have some kind of scrap paper down, it can even be newspaper. You want to protect your surface. It's going to not only keep crayon off of whatever you're drawing on, but it's also going to make coloring a lot easier, and you'll see that in just a moment. Okay, so let's get started. Hopefully you have something down on your surface. You've got your caterpillar from last rotation out by now. Let's begin. Last time we focused on this awesome caterpillar. We drew a circle and then we drew overlapping circles. That's right. These smaller circles that follow after that make up the caterpillar's body are overlapping circles. We learned that last week. And we also drew these tiny little baby letter V's for legs. We also have this awesome swoop, this branch, and 4 different leaves. Let's count our circles. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. That's right. Time to get out your crayons. I'm going to start with a red crayon, and I am going to color in this last circle right here. You can choose any colors you want. Now, as you're coloring in this last circle, let's go back to rotation 1 and remember that poster about craftsmanship? Oh yeah, that's what I want. I want the kind of craftsmanship that's in that column that's all the way to the right. Give me some really, really awesome craftsmanship. I know you can do it. And now I'm going to color in this bottom part. Oh yeah, did I do great craftsmanship on the bottom? Somebody give me a big ol' No, I don't think I did. Now, I think it's a little scribble-scrabbly. I did okay on the top, but the bottom could definitely use a little bit better craftsmanship. So I'm going to go ahead and correct that by really giving it a solid coloring job. Nice. There we go. That's a much better job. Now I'm going to put the red crayon to the side, and I'm going to color in this overlapping circle. I'm going to skip one over, and I'm going to use the color blue. Yep, I'm going to color in this one right here. And I'm going to make sure to put my full effort, my full amount of craftsmanship into this one. I'm going to put my blue crayon right next to the red, and now I'm going to skip another one, and I'm going to do this overlapping circle, the one that's closest to the head, and I'm going to color it in with a yellow. Now, you've probably noticed that I'm coloring in fast-forward motion. I want you to take your time, pause the video if you need to, and once you're done, unpause the video and let's keep going. Now, if you've noticed, I've used my red crayon, my blue crayon, and my yellow crayon. Now, these colors all together are called primary colors. Primary colors are very important to an artist because all artists know that red, blue, and yellow combine together to make other colors. For example, if I mix together red and blue, what color do you think that I'll get? Did you guess purple? Well, then you're right. Blue and red make purple. Great job. So let's use purple to color the overlapping circle in between the red and the blue. Our next 2 primary colors that we're going to talk about are blue and yellow. If I mix those 2, what do I get? All right, if you guessed green, you're right. Great job. Color that next overlapping circle in green. Okay, so we have one last color combination, red and yellow, both primary colors. But if we were to mix red and yellow together, what color do you think we're going to get? Did you guess orange? Great job. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, red and yellow make orange. So now I'm going to color in my caterpillar's face orange. Now hopefully at this point you're still remembering your craftsmanship, coloring every little piece in, covering up the white paper underneath, and doing the best job that you can do. Now for the nose, you can choose any color you want. I think that I'm going to choose teal. Teal is an interesting color. Now here's an extra special and interesting challenge because they did not go over this in the video. What two colors do you think make teal? Did you guess blue and green? You're right! Great job! And you can even see it there. Blue and green mixed together do make teal. Now it's time to color in the feet. I'm going to choose gray. You choose any color you want. Mixing primary colors to make new colors is a really fun thing to do because it makes a rainbow when you put them all in order. Now it's time to color the little circles on top of our caterpillar's antenna. And again, I encourage you to use any color that you want to use. Once you're done with the antennas, the next thing that we should color is the tree branch. So I'm going to grab a brown, any color brown will do, and I'm going to do a great job with lots and lots of craftsmanship, and I'm going to be patient, take my time, and color it all in. Don't forget not to press down too hard with your crayon, and if you need to take a quick break, no worries, take a break. It's time to color those leaves in. Now, to give these leaves a color, I want to try a new coloring technique. I'm going to choose a light green. The color I have is yellow-green. And I'm not going to press down too hard, but I'm going to make sure to color all of these leaves in and not leave any space left uncolored. And now to really make things interesting and artistically awesome, I want you to get a darker color green. And with the same kind of medium pressure, I would like you to color on top of your light green. And take a real close look, because mixed colors look amazing when you use them with crayons. Now all we have left is all of this blank white space that's all around our caterpillar. This is called the background. This is the sky. And what I would like you to do is I would like you to choose a color crayon that you don't normally use. It doesn't have to be blue. Any color that doesn't get a whole lot of use, get that color out, and I want you to color the whole sky. Take your time. Make sure you get into all the little spaces, the little nooks and crannies, and get every single piece of that white paper that's left over with some crayon on top of it. I know you can do it. Keep patient, keep working hard, and get it all done. And when you're finished, you'll have an excellent work of art. Now, don't forget to upload your finished artwork to Seesaw so I can see it for myself. And if you finished early, there are coloring pages that you can print out, as well as a color by number if you'd like to follow along with me and use the same colors that I used. Hope you had a great time, and I'll see you later.